Ever feel like financial freedom is only for the rich, like it's some distant dream, reserved for people with huge salaries or lucky breaks? The truth is, wealth isn't about a big paycheck or flashy success. We're told wealth is loud, big promotions, risky ventures, or luck. But that's just the surface. Real wealth is often invisible, built quietly in the background, away from the spotlight. But real lasting wealth is built quietly, through small intentional steps. The quiet strategy is about aligning your money with what truly matters to you, not deprivation, but purpose. It's about making your money work for your values, not just your wants. The world pushes us to want more: bigger houses, newer cars, endless upgrades. We're bombarded with messages that tell us happiness is just one purchase away, but this noise can make us feel like we're always behind. The quiet strategy invites you to tune out the noise and define wealth on your own terms. Many high earners still live paycheck to paycheck, trapped by lifestyle inflation, always chasing the next thing. Building wealth is less about what you earn and more about what you keep and grow. It's a skill and a mindset, not a privilege. This approach is about making conscious choices that build security and peace, step by step, day by day. Forget overnight success stories. True financial freedom is a journey, not a race. We'll explore a calmer, more sustainable way to financial resilience. It starts with a single intentional decision to manage your money differently. Every small action adds up, and over time, these choices create a foundation for lasting wealth. You'll learn to save first, live simply, eliminate debt, invest wisely, and prioritize what truly matters to you. And above all, be patient. Growth takes time, but every step forward counts. This is your invitation to take control, where your money serves your life, not the other way around. Start today and let your quiet actions speak louder than any paycheck ever could. The first step to financial well-being: pay yourself first. This simple principle is the foundation of building lasting wealth and security. Most people pay bills, cover expenses, and hope to save what's left. Usually, there's nothing left. It's a cycle that leaves you feeling stuck, always waiting for the right time to start saving. The quiet strategy flips this. Before anything else, set aside a portion of your income for your future. Treat your savings like the most important bill you have to pay. Even if it's just 1% of your paycheck, the habit matters more than the amount. Over time, these small steps add up, creating a powerful momentum. Start small, then increase as you can. Consistency beats big, one-time efforts. The key is to make saving a regular, automatic part of your life. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid. This way, you never have to think about it, and you won't be tempted to skip a month. Make saving invisible and non-negotiable, like rent or utilities. When it's automatic, it becomes a natural part of your routine. Automation removes emotion and decision fatigue. You decide once, and the system does the rest. This frees up your mental energy for other important decisions. By paying yourself first, you commit to your long-term goals. You're telling yourself that your dreams and future matter. This isn't about deprivation, it's about empowering your future self. You're building a safety net and creating opportunities for yourself down the road. That small, regular transfer is the first seed in your financial garden. With patience and care, it will grow into something meaningful. Over time, it grows into something substantial. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. Wealth begins not with what you earn, but with what you purposefully keep. It's about making intentional choices with your money. Make your future a priority, starting now. Every dollar you save is a step toward financial freedom and peace of mind. The quiet step of paying yourself first changes everything. It's the habit that sets you on the path to a brighter, more secure future. After paying yourself first, the next step is living below your means. This isn't about sacrifice, it's about making intentional choices. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is where wealth grows. Resist lifestyle inflation. When your income rises, don't let your expenses rise with it. Keep core expenses stable and direct extra money to savings or investments. Distinguish between needs and wants. Spend on what truly adds value. Find joy in simplicity. Many of life's best experiences are low cost or free. Each dollar you don't spend on what doesn't matter is a dollar building your future. Living below your means isn't about having less, but having more freedom and peace. Choose what matters, and let your money work for you. Debt is the leak in your financial boat, quietly draining your energy and resources, often without you even noticing at first. High-interest debt especially acts like an anchor, pulling you back and making it harder to move forward. It drains your resources and slows your progress toward your goals, making every step feel heavier. To build wealth and create lasting financial security, you must declare a quiet war on debt, one fought with discipline, patience, and determination. 2 proven methods can help you win this war. The snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first for quick wins and a sense of accomplishment, and the avalanche method, where you target your highest interest debts first for maximum efficiency and long-term savings. Choose the method that keeps you motivated, because staying motivated is the key to making real progress. The best plan is always the one you'll stick with, even when it gets tough. Most important of all, stop accumulating new debt. Break the cycle by making conscious choices every day. Cut up cards if you must, or put them away to remove temptation. Shift your mindset, save for what you want, don't borrow for it. Practice patience, and let your savings grow. Every dollar not going to a lender is a dollar building your future, giving you more freedom and options. Eliminating debt frees your income to work for you, not against you, and opens up new possibilities for your life. This discipline is the foundation of a debt-free life, and it brings peace of mind and confidence in your future. Debt-free living isn't just about money, it's about freedom, control, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Make a plan, stick to it, and track your progress along the way. Celebrate each debt you eliminate, no matter how small. It's a victory worth acknowledging. The quiet strategy means breaking free from the chains of debt, regaining your independence and peace of mind, one step at a time, with steady progress and determination. Your financial fortress starts with plugging the leaks, sealing up the places where money escapes. Take action today. Your future self will thank you for every step you take toward freedom and financial security. With savings automated and debt under control, it's time to invest. Saving is collecting seeds, investing is planting them to grow. Inflation erodes cash, investing helps your money outpace it. You don't need to be an expert. The quiet strategy is about time in the market, not timing the market. Regularly invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs for automatic diversification and lower risk. Automate your investments, even if it's just $25 a month. Dollar cost averaging smooths out market ups and downs. Trust the process. Consistency beats trying to predict the market. Compound interest turns small, steady contributions into real wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Don't worry about starting small. The habit matters most. Be patient, stay the course, and let time do the heavy lifting. Investing quietly and steadily is the real path to wealth. Want to accelerate your progress? Add small streams of income. You don't need a risky startup, just a side hustle or two. Even $100 extra a month can make a big difference. Use your skills or hobbies. Freelance, sell crafts, tutor, or help others locally. Digital products like ebooks or online courses can earn passive income. The gig economy offers flexible options, deliveries, pet sitting, or odd jobs. Start small, aim for your first $50, then $100. Each small win builds momentum and confidence. Diversifying income means you're not dependent on one job. It's not about perfection, but progress. Experiment, learn, and enjoy the process. More income streams mean more security and control. Every extra dollar is fuel for your wealth-building engine. The most important part of the quiet strategy? Patience. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent actions today add up to big results over years. Don't compare your journey to others' highlight reels. Focus on your own progress and celebrate small victories. Set clear long-term goals, an emergency fund, debt-free living, or a set investment target. Break big goals into smaller steps to stay motivated. The quiet strategy is about more than money. It's about peace of mind and freedom. A solid financial foundation means less stress and more choices. You can pursue passions, handle emergencies, and live with intention. Trust the process and the power of steady habits. Your salary doesn't determine your destiny. Your habits do. Start today with one small, quiet step. Stay the course, and your future self will thank you. This is the true reward, a life of intention, resilience, and peace.